Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today what you are going to do is some feature practice in order to get a little bit of a feel of the way artists draw some of the features of your face. So first I want you to turn to a blank sketchbook page, and at the top you need to label it Feature Practice. You also need to divide your page into 4 kind of sections. You can either label them and draw lines, or I'm just going to write them so I remember all the things that I need to do. Eyes, nose, lips, ears. Now, one thing that you need to do in doing all of these is you're going to need to do 21 points total. That's what the score is out of. Now, the way you earn those 21 points can vary. You need to do at least one of each of the 4 types of features. So at least one eye, at least one nose, at least one set of lips, at least one ear. But how well or how much time you spend on each feature will depend on how many points it's worth. So if we go to eyes and you get the eye packet, you'll notice all the side views of eyes are crossed off, so you should be practicing the front views and not quite the side views. So if you turn to the back, there are some of the more complicated side views back here that you can try. So you're going to have it sitting next to you. You're going to pick one, look at it, and draw, trying to copy it the best you can. So today we're learning by copying. So you kind of draw that. And then, if I called this finished right now, it would be a half a point. Okay? But I don't want to earn just half a point, so I'm going to keep working on it. Then I'm going to look and see, okay, it's a little shadowy here. This is really dark. There's a bit of a shadow in this thing. So using your pencil to start to create shadows. There's a shadow here. So that's worth 1 point. Now, I could go on and do 21 of those, or if I wanted to give myself a little bit more of a challenge, or I wanted to just do less features and just get them a little bit more detailed, then I can go in, add some more details, add some more shadows. There's a bit of a shadow over here. It's darker here. There's a light spot in the eye. So the more of those tiny little shadows that I see and find, the more points my project is worth. So then once I have as many shadows as I can find, now this is worth 2 points, which means I only have to do about 10 of them plus another 1 point or a couple of half pointers. You can combine ones, twos, and halves points to get to your 21 points. So if I'm really good at doing eyes and I want to do like 3 pairs of 2-point eyes, and then I'm not so good at noses, so I do a couple of half-point noses, and I'm good at lips, so I do some 1-point lips. You can combine them and do however you want. As I'm walking around, if you want me to check one and write off whether it's a 1, 2, or half a point, I can do that. But by the end of class today, you need 21 points. You're going to turn in your sketchbook opened to this page so I can just grade it and give it back to you. All right? So, make sure you have a packet. Get started. 21 points. Oh, and one other thing, because I just remembered. You can earn up to 42 points. So you can get a 200% on today's assignment. So keep doing as many features as you can, and you can earn extra credit on today's assignment.